everybody, gaming, right here, back with another video, and today, we have a few friends over here. We're playing Build a Boat for Treasure. We're playing Build a Boat for Treasure. We have binkleshnarf, skibidysigmasausage, and obamalandthemeparkYt. Theme park.
We're building a boat for treasure.
We are. Wait, why can't I build? I think I'm glitched.
I'm glitched. Wait, I placed my stupid motor on your body. Hey, get this off! Who said that?
What?
Who said that?
Did you say bad words?
Who said that?
Yeah, you're not allowed to do that.
You say bad. We may have to kick you off the team if you say bad words.
Hey, no, this is my boat. This is my boat.
Our boat.
No, this is my boat.
Our boat.
No.
I control this one.
No, I'm leaving.
I control this one. Oh, okay. Well, guess I'm this now.
I want to build a boat.
Alright. What is that on there? Here, don't worry, binkleshnarf. You can be on my boat. Ooh, chest. What the?
I'm putting chests all over my boat. Cause I have that big money. It's not even funny.
Wait. Skibidi, build your boat with us.
But I'm gonna actually have a good boat. I'm not gonna die.
Wait, I want to turn up my volume.
Yeah, you are. You know you're gonna die.
Join us. Wait, launch?
Deploy!
Yay! Get up! Wait, retreat! I got flipped over! I got flipped over!
I'm still alive.
Shut up!
What's the objective
I'll build
here?
this now. We get to the end with a boat.
This.
Why would it only give us 8? That's not cool. The best ever.
Don't hit things.
And then I launch. What? I can't launch. What is y'all? What?
I can't.
Oh, yay!
What's the smooth thing, I think? Isn't this really smart?
Whoa, that's far. I'm gonna catch up to y'all. Oh, Jazz!
I had some of those earlier.
Yum.
What kind of mushrooms did you have, binkleshnarf?
I'm literally the captain. I'm literally the captain.
On the birds of...
Wait, are all of y'all are all of y'all on like a ship together?
No.
Binkleshnarf, how did you survive?
I'm a nerd.
How did you survive, binkleshnarf?
What do you mean how I survived? I'm better than you everywhere.
Okay.
Binkleshnarf, you're mean. I hate you.
Yeah, cause I'm
He's just better.
I'm better.
Yeah.
No, my chest!
Yeah.
Smoking on that.
This is bad.
I'm smoking on that.
I have to do it.
Smoking on that. Oh
I have no idea what's going on right now.
I'm dying.
Whoa! You should cool fireflies.
We made it.
What the?
binkleshnarf.
Oh no.
Wait, we have more items and more money.
I'm winning.
I'm winning.
Nah.
I'm winning.
That's my arm.
No.
treasure.
No!
Treasure is essentially made of
Heaven and earth. Iowa. I'm dying. I'm gonna
Claim.
all over you.
I got a chest.
That's more treasure, so we can build a better boat.
Are we going to? We should build a boat together. The ultimate boat.
Yes, we should. Okay, we're not gonna launch until all of us want to, okay?
Yeah.
Ooh, boy,
Yeah, better not.
I say, yeah.
We should like have our own little engines. Oh wait, how'd you get that? Oh, there's chests?
I'm better than you.
There's chests.
Hard man.
This thing is too long.
Shut up, binkleshnarf. I hate you.
You're too long.
You're too long, stupid.
Guys, stop saying mean words.
We are not saying mean
You
words,
are.
Mac.
You're a mean word.
Yeah,
Don't
you're
call
a
me
mean
that.
word.
I don't like that.
Yes.
I got a red chest. I got a red chest.
Yeah,
I got a red chest.
that's cool, hard Mac.
What do I get from it? Whoa!
Oh, that's huge. That's
Why didn't you build with us?
Because I didn't want to.
I already have one of those.
No, join our. Why are we making the boat so long? What?
Look at my boat. I have.
Why are you lame and you don't want a cool boat? Look how cool my boat is.
Get off my boat.
I'm adding a piston.
Homeless person.
I'm improving your boat.
You homeless scum. Get off my boat.
Look what I'm putting on the front.
Get off my boat, you homeless.
Stop being mean. That's mean.
Get off my boat.
Stop.
I don't like you on my boat.
I don't like the sign on my boat.
Stop.
Get off my boat.
How do I use this? I put something but you blocked it.
Well, that's too bad. Get off my boat.
I hate y'all.
Get off my boat.
Y'all mean.
Get off my boat.
I hate y'all. I don't want to quit anymore.
You
Yeah,
can get
that's right. Leave.
No,
Get off my
Mac.
boat.
No, I'm not. I'm not getting off your boat.
We can do this the easy way. We can do it the hard way.
Y'all all mean. I don't like any of it. I'm taking back all my stuff. Y'all all mean. Y'all mean and cruel. And are you mean?
No, we're not.
Are you mean?
Not that. No, you can get on my boat with me.
Yay! I'll help build. I'll help build.
Get on Skibidy's boat.
Yeah, because he's cooler than you.
Build it cylindrical.
Skibidysigmasausage.
Build it cylindrical.
What does that mean?
Outwards. Don't put HS. Cause then
I think one of our members is a bit of a lunatic over there. I think he's a bit ill in the head.
Binkleshnarf?
No, you.
You call me ill.
You, Obama. You are ill.
How am I
You're sitting over there saying mama, mama. You are ill.
Not ill, you're ill.
That sounds like someone that's ill would say.
I would never say it. And I'm not ill, how dare you?
Ladder. Here, you can have the high chair, binkleshnarf.
Okay, we're about to go.
Who put this here?
Let's get ready to go!
We're about to go.
Launch! Launch! Yeah! Oh no!
Nice. We wanted to. So rude.
Get him! Get him! Get him!
No!
What the?
Funny.
Get him! Get him! Yeah! We're better! We're better! We're better! Get him! Get him! Get him!
Look at those.
You are mean, so we don't like you.
What do you mean I'm mean?
You have been mean to me this entire time. You have been mean to me this entire time.
No, I haven't.
You have.
Get on the boat. Give you attention. Get on my boat. Get on my boat.
Oh, we want to land! Yeah!
They can't even.
That's what you get! Alright, binkleshnarf's cool. Don't go after binkleshnarf. He's cool. No! We need to win this for binkleshnarf. Ooh, what's that?
Buffoons. That I can trust you.
Whoa. We didn't do anything to you, binkleshnarf. You fell over.
You did everything.
No, we did not. No.
You took everything from me.
No, we didn't. Oh my gosh.
We're gonna catch them binkleshark.
What?
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm gonna have to censor
Yeah,
this
let's put
video
a
because of
flag.
you.
What are you talking about?
You're awful.
Why am I
hate
awful?
you.
Why do you hate me?
Because you're mean to me.
Because I'm right.
Hard Max,
I hate you because you're mean to me.
We're gonna make an
You're
exposed
getting
video on you.
exposed, Hard Max.
Wait, guys, as Kim Jong-un and James Franco said in the interview movie, they
What?
hate us because they ain't us.
I think you
Kim
should
Jong-un.
shut up.
That's mean.
That's what I'm saying, home slice.
I support you, Skibidi. You're cool. Yeah.
Thank you.
No problem.
Thank you.
Alright, binkleshnarf, let's get them.
We got this. We can do this. We
I
can do
gotta
this.
add more chest.
Alright, binkleshark, let's go.
I miss Binko
I
Shark.
need to add more.
Whoa! They're shooting at us! Go! We gotta get out!
They're being shot at.
We gotta get out!
Yes, good.
Let's go banner!
Go!
Let's go.
Look at that!
Do I do it?
Oh my god!
Here, let me put that.
Yeah.
Oh my god! It's over! It's over!
Just stay in your chair.
So you put it there! No!
Will you ASOD or you'll move?
Please! Please have mercy!
Launch.
Yes!
Yes!
Yes!